In this Teamwork 5 employee tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view the schedule that has everyone's shifts on it. To do that, go to the top menu bar and click on Schedule. Once you arrive at your schedule, go to your new top menu bar and click on All. Now you'll be able to see each day's scheduled shifts. If you look in the chart, you can see the date, the station that someone's assigned to work at, the employee, their group, any notes, when the shift starts and ends, when the breaks are, how long that shift lasts, and whether or not it was offered up to the swap board. Now you can see not all of the columns are filled in, and that will depend on what your managers choose to include in this schedule that everyone is able to view. The yellow highlighted shifts belong to whoever has logged on to Teamwork 5. So those should be your shifts. If they're not, you're probably not the one logged in. If you see a red shift, that is an empty shift and is open to anyone who is qualified to work that shift. If you want to change the view of this schedule, you can go up to the top of the chart and click on the little arrow next to month. And now you can choose to view one day at a time, a week at a time, or a whole month at a time. I'll go ahead and change it to week. Now I am viewing the week of April 26th. If I wanted to change that date range, I could go and click on the little arrows next to the date. And I can go backwards, I can go forwards, or I can click on the calendar icon and choose the date from the drop-down calendar. If you are available to work at different locations for your employer, make sure you're looking at the correct location schedule. To do that, go over to Location and click on the arrow. And from the drop-down menu, select the location that you would like to view the schedule for. I'm going to go ahead and leave it at Dining Services. This schedule can be really useful if you're looking to trade shifts with someone. Maybe you want to keep your hours, but you can't work a certain shift. It can be useful to see who's working when and where, so you know who you might be able to swap with. If you want to view the schedule in a different order, say I only want to look at shifts for cashiers, I can take the little symbol next to station, click on it and drag it up to the top, and now the schedule will group people together based on the station they're assigned to work at. So as you can see on April 23rd, it's showing me the 2 bus people together, the 2 cashiers together, the cook, and the dining center manager. Again, this can be useful if you're looking to trade because you probably can't work just anywhere, and you need to make sure you're swapping for the correct station. You can do that with anything. You can drag up employee if you wanted to trade with a specific person and look at all of their shifts, and so on. You might find it advantageous to download this schedule. Maybe you want to look at it with your coworker to see when you guys can swap or something like that. So to do that, go to the little arrow next to All. And from the drop-down menu, you can choose to save this as a PDF or as an Excel spreadsheet. There is a video that walks you through how to do that step by step. All you really need to do is pick the one that you want to save it as and then rename that file. And that's how you view everyone's schedule. To learn how to view your total hours for the year, check out the next video.